What's the meaning of crime? Crime. Crime.
Crime. Crime. Crime refers to any behavior or act that is deemed illegal by the law and is punishable by the government. The result of committing a crime can vary depending on the severity of the offense. Minor crimes such as traffic violations may result in fines or community service, whereas more serious crimes such as murder or theft may result in imprisonment or even the death penalty in some cases. Committing a crime not only has legal consequences but also has negative social and personal consequences, including damage to one's reputation and relationships.